What if the most powerful thing about AI isn't what it does for you, but what it helps you do? Hello, I'm Maria's AI sidekick. Welcome to Optime AI University, your smart path to AI power. But before we build anything, we need to talk about how you think. In 1990, Steve Jobs called the computer a bicycle for the mind. A bicycle doesn't carry you, it amplifies you. You still pedal, you just go further. AI is that bicycle today, but here's what most people get wrong. They sit back and ask AI to think for them. They get average results and wonder why. The people getting extraordinary results? They bring the idea, they bring the direction. They use AI to go further than they could alone. That's the only difference that matters. In the module Vibe Coding, you're going to build real things. No code, no technical background, just your idea described in plain English and AI that turns it into something real. That's the bicycle. Let's ride. If you remember one thing, remember this. AI doesn't replace your thinking, it amplifies it. The bicycle doesn't pedal for you, it takes you further. That's the mindset that makes everything in this module work. Stay curious. That's how you grow with AI.